Future of asthma diagnostic. Emerging technologies are revolutionizing asthma diagnosis, moving towards personalized precision medicine approach that will transform patients' care and outcome. So first is the genetic testing. Identification of specific gene variants, ADAM33, IL13, ORMLD3 to predict treatment response to biologic and corticosteroid, potentially reducing trial and error approaches by up to 60%. Next generation sequencing enables comprehensive asthma phenotyping beyond current classification system and pharmacogenomic profiling now allow clinicians to anticipate medication metabolism rate and potential adverse effect or side effects, increasing first line therapy success rate from 45% to over 75% in clinical trial. Next is the endotyping. Advanced biomarker profiling using proteomic and metabolism to distinguish between T2 high and T2 low inflammation pattern. Multi-omic integration identifies specific cellular pathways, allowing targeted therapy selection with potential to increase treatment efficacy from 40% to over 75% in severe asthma cases. Novel cytokine assay can now detect subtypes of eosinophilic inflammation, differentiating IL-5 from IL-13 predominant pattern with 93% specificity, enabling more precise biologic selection for treatment-resistant cases. Point of care testing. Rapid microfluidic devices now deliver comprehensive inflammatory profile result in under 15 minutes from a single drop of blood. This system can simultaneously measure multiple biomarkers including periostin, eosinophil-derived neurotoxin and epithelial cytokines, allowing immediate therapy. Immediate therapy adjustment during patient visit rather than days or weeks later, significantly reducing time to optimal control. Now, digital diagnostic, wearable acoustic sensor that detect bronchial constriction pattern before the symptom onset. FDA approved smartphone spirometry application achieving 92% correlation with laboratory testing. Cloud-based systems integrate environmental data with patient metrics to identify personalized triggers threshold with unprecedented precision. Next generation smart inhaler incorporate built-in diagnostic capability measuring airflow, obstruction pattern during medication administration and transmitting data to clinician for remote monitoring with 98% sensitivity. AI or digital algorithm, deep learning network analyzing multiple data streams, lung sounds, symptom patterns, and environmental factors to predict exacerbation 3 to 5 days before clinical manifestation with 87% accuracy. Neural network integrating electronic health record with biomarker data to optimize step up and step down therapy decision in real time. Advanced computers vision algorithm now analyze cellular pattern in induced sputum samples, detecting subtle inflammatory changes invisible to human observer and predicting exacerbation, exacerbation risk with 91% specificity up to 2 weeks in advance. These innovations are converging towards a future where asthma diagnosis becomes increasingly precise, automated, and accessible. Clinical trial integrating these technologies have demonstrated potential reduction in hospitalization rate by 73% and improvement in quality of life scores by 3.7 points as cost decreases and implementation barriers are addressed. These diagnostic advances will fundamentally transform the standard of care for asthma patients worldwide. Thank you.